Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and this is part three. And if you didn't watch part two, you might want to watch it how I created this. But my mathematical guru gave me a little tip. Instead of doing them individually, we're just going to control. Let me make sure I just got one copy here. I'm going to control D and make a duplicate. Double click on it and move the rotation to that node, and then rotate it 120 degrees twice. And look at that. Saved a lot of steps, and the colors match up a lot more equally if we take away or add a thicker line. It looks quite a bit better than my original box. Um, if you notice here, you know, the white on the corners versus here I've got red and white on the corner. So that's maybe why it kind of looked funny to me. But if you look at that, I mean, that is a cube. And let's just, for instance, just take away the line, and it still looks pretty cool. But I would suggest, doing just a hairline. Whoop, you got to select it, and then click a hairline, and just have a hairline. If you're going to print it, I don't know anything about printing. You need a bigger line than a hairline in laser engraving. But that's a pretty good trick. I really appreciate my mentor for passing that along. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.